Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to make sleeve and puff sleeve. This is the remaining fabric in which we will draw short sleeve. Fold this fabric, mark your sleeve. This is 1.5 for fold. From marking you have to draw 5 inch length and bottom 12 inch you have to take, so you have to take this half of 12 inch. Now from your sleeve length you take the 3 inch minus from sleeve length. Now you have to give the shape, that is 8.5. This is margin 1.5 inch. Now give the shape of armhole. Now your sleeve is ready for cutting. With 1/4 inch margin you cut the sleeve. Inside you have already given the 1.5 inch margin. Mark its center. For front armhole, 1/2 inch you drop the sleeve and give the mark. This is drop down for front side. Now your sleeve is ready to attach the body. Mark it for front area so that you will easily recognize the part of the front area. First you check the sleeve with armhole. It is correct. Now you start stitching. Now we'll fold the bottom of sleeve. We are stitching here at the bottom, but you can also do the hemming at the bottom, and we have taken the pink thread so that you can easily see the stitching. Bottom is fold. Now we will attach it to the body. Now on right side of your body keep the sleeve and with 1/4 inch margin slowly you attached it so that it will not stretch, and you have already marked the center so that you can easily check it whether it is on perfect or it increased. Push it little bit at shoulder if your sleeve is increasing, and take the precaution so that shoulder will be easily done. While attaching this sleeve, you take the special care it should not be stretched. It's perfectly done because we have not given any stretch at armhole. You can check it. This is properly done. We have not stretched the sleeve. You can see it from right side also. There is no stretch mark on sleeve because it is stitched properly. Now you can stitch the side also. I will show you on this body only one puff sleeve and this is simple sleeve, so that you can easily learn both the sleeves at a time. Now you can check it without any iron. You can see this sleeve is attached properly, so it looks neat and clean from both the sides. Otherwise, if it is not done properly, the wrinkle has come. So this is done. Now we'll move forward to next sleeve, that is puff sleeve. Now we'll see the puff sleeve. In this waste fabric I am drawing you, we'll check how to stitch and cut the puff sleeve. Now you have to join this extension to your armhole mark. This extra is given to pleat, add the pleat for puff. With margin of 1/2 inch, you cut this. center mark. The 6" marked, same here, 6". This portion we are marking to take the pleats in this portion. This way we will take the pleats so that puff will create it automatically. Now your cutting part is done. We'll proceed for stitching. And one more important tip: in simple sleeve we cut the extra armhole ½ inch deep, but in puff sleeve there is no need to cut this ½ inch deep in front. It is same from front and back both. In stitching, first step is you have to take the pleats in marked area. You take the small pleats, same size, so that it will look even altogether. This pleating is done in bottom area. Now you can check this sleeve is 12" bottom. It is correctly done. Same way you take the pleat upper side also. And take the equal pleat. See how nicely it is done. Now we will attach this pink putty, or you can say stripe, at bottom line, so it will add the beauty to your puff sleeve. Now you have to fold it inside and make it final. Is done. Now we'll attach it to our body. Same way you put it on right side. From shoulder you mark it 2" back side, and front side also 2". In this portion you have to make out your pleats. Whatever it is extra pleats, you have to do it in that area only. You have to adjust in that area. Check it out. In that 4" part you have to adjust your pleats. It will be easy for you. Otherwise what happen, all pleat will go back side or it will come front side. If you mark it in advance, so it will properly, you can adjust on shoulder also. In between you also check the sleeve length. So you can move ahead. See, your sleeve is properly done and all pleats are adjusted in that 4" area. Now you can stitch your side. Now you can see this puff sleeve. It is properly done with finishing. And this is your plain sleeve. You can make it out easily, the sleeve, without any tension. Check this puff sleeve, how nicely it is fitted on manicure, and there is no wrinkle. Now you can see plain sleeve also without any wrinkle. You can see this also. So within 5 minutes you can easily attach your sleeve without any tension. Now if you like this process of stitching, you like us, subscribe us and share this video with your friends so that they can also learn easy tips and guidance for stitching. Thank you.